Hey guys, so today I'm doing a video on the Epson EcoTank 2860. I'm basically going to be unboxing it and then showing you the process of getting it converted to a dye sublimation printer. So in the first box we've got here, this is from Ink Experts. Okay, this is what is going to make it a dye sublimation printer. Now, along with this ink, you are going to need the ICC profiles. They can send this through to you because the ICC profiles vary dependent on the ink that you use. I opted for the Sublinova ink, so I had to get an ICC profile that was suitable for this. So with the inks, they also send over these quick full bottles, just so that you pour the ink across into these and then you can just simply transfer it into the printer quick and easily. I bought one pack of dye sublimation paper. This was a 120 GSM 100 sheets. Now, if you're using Mac, you need to be on Sonoma. The latest Mac operating system, unfortunately, does not run the ICC profiles correctly. So Sonoma is only currently approved for use of the dye sublimation on this. Again, Ink Experts would provide you with the ICC profiles as long as you have bought the ink from them. When you're unboxing the printer and getting it set up, just remember to remove all this blue tape first. There's some fiddly bits that are inside and stuff like that. So just check over the whole printer before you move on to filling up the inks. So we're now at the stage where everything is unboxed and it's ready for the ink to go in. So we've got our dye sublimation inks here to the left, and then on the right hand side we have the containers for the quick refilling. This is going to allow us to just simply place the ink on top of the refill system and let it fill itself. Now, I do recommend wearing gloves for this whole process because it is quite a messy job. Okay, so I've just grabbed the cardboard from the printer box. I'm going to get my ink tub here. We're going to form those. Right. That's it here. That's it. I'll just give these all a shake. I labelled this one, even though you can see there's a slightly different tint to the black one. Don't want to make any mistakes that can be costly. So we're going to start with our cyan, which is this one. I'll put the CY on it just in case, don't want to make any mistakes. All we're going to do is align it on there. You can see it's slowly filling up on the side there. Right, we're now going to do magenta. Same process. Put it in here. I'd say definitely do not do this process without gloves on. can close that up. And close that now. Now there are a couple of options available just to get the printer set up itself. You can either use your computer, or there's even an app on your phone which you can scan the QR code and get it set up through that process. It's a lot easier using your phone. Just bear in mind you will need your Wi-Fi password, so make sure you have that to hand. Now I'm not going to bother showing you the process of setting up ICC profiles on this video because I'll do a separate one for Mac and a separate one for PC. Please hit the subscribe button if you're interested in printing, because I will be making a lot more videos. I'm also going to be making some on direct garment printers and vinyl printers and vinyl cutting as well, because I do a bit of everything and that's what I enjoy doing. So thanks for watching, guys. Take care.